So they say third time's the charm, right? I built a team 3 times. 2 times they fell apart. First time I had no idea what I was doing, and I was with a brokerage that didn't have any of the systems. So they gave me freedom to kind of build it myself, right? I was kind of like, oh my gosh, it's way too much work. Nor did they have the system, but nor did I know what to freaking do, right? So then I left that brokerage. I went to another brokerage who had the systems for team building. But what I didn't have, I still didn't have my system for my team, GRET, Gogo's real estate team, right? So I didn't necessarily have the expectations set on paper, and I didn't necessarily have the guidance for the day-to-day tasks that they needed to take, and I didn't necessarily have the team contract that said clearly how the transactions are split, right? So those agents walked out on me on the same day. So third time's the charm. And now I don't want to say that I have it all figured out, but we did 500,000 GCI with 2 agents last year, and I didn't buy a single lead. So if you would like to learn these team building life lessons, join our webinar.